Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're staying safe and you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week on guided reading, we are going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of the strategies to help you with your reading. The ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures to help you with a word. And your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters in the word and you stretch the sounds out slowly and then you go back and say it all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Fish. Fish. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's have a go one more time all together. Fish. Fish. Good job, well done. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called The Fishing Trip. Let's go and have a read. Here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. The Fishing Trip. In this story is Ant, Dad, and a fish. Dad sits. Ant dips. Ant, a tin. It is a tin. Ant dips. Dad. Ant tips. It is sad. Ant tips it in. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can listen to me read it again by rewinding the video, or on Oxford Owl they have the play button where they will read it for you. This week we're going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, you need to click the link that I will put in your child's portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page and you'll need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your fantastic work. Enjoy and have fun.